Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest money immediately. But before we get into that, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. Also, you wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say is my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like all of the attention to be on you, if you would like to get to your desired reality as fast as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com. Alternatively, you can click the first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question that you want and you will be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. Click the Patreon link down below and join through there. It is the exact same program. I genuinely want you to follow these steps verbatim, and if you have any questions or you forget these steps, feel free to come back to this video at any time. We must take each step in order for this to work. So first of all, we need to pick the exact amount that we want. Is it $1,000? Is it $10,000? Is it $1,000 a day? Is it $100,000 a month? Pick any amount or any frequency of you getting this money. I would highly suggest for this exercise to go very specific. So we are not manifesting I have financial freedom. We are specifically manifesting earning $1,000 a day or earning $10,000 a month, whatever it is. If you're on a salary, I earn $100,000 a year versus I'm financially free or I have a 6-figure salary. Step number 2, we are going to take a step into this new reality. Now what this is something called quantum jumping. Now I don't want you to get nervous because this is nothing but literally taking one step into the reality that you wish to be in. We are not looking back. Even if there are any doubts after you've made this step, it doesn't matter because you've already taken a step, you've taken a leap into a new reality. After taking this step, the reality that you call yours right now will be very foreign to you. It is not the reality that you will be living anymore. I am manifesting earning $1,000 a day, so let's do this together. I have specified I want $1,000 a day, and now I'm going to step into that reality. So all it is a very quick knowing that after I take this step, I am the Rita Kaminski that earns 1,000 AUD a day. So we're gonna take this step. I'm gonna count down to 1, and on 1, we are going to take this step. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm now in the reality where I earn $1,000 a day. I have skipped all of these steps and I have leaped into the state of what it is that I want, of the amount of money that I wish to attain on a daily basis. This is now my energetic standard. This is my minimum, meaning no matter what I do, no matter what I buy, I will always be earning $1,000 a day. I want to quickly touch on the concept of energetic minimum. So whether you know it or not, you have an energetic minimum, meaning you know that you are earning $3,000 a month from your job, and that is not going anywhere. You are not settling for anything less than that. That is your energetic minimum. This is so for real. I'm telling you that if you get fired from your job today, by tomorrow you will have a job that will be paying you $3,000 a month, because that is your energetic standard. Or for example, if you're an entrepreneur and your energetic standard is earning $10,000 a month and 1 month falls short to $8,000 a month, well, something might happen where you find a check in the mail, or someone sends you money, or you get your random security deposit back that you haven't even thought about for 2 years, or you get a tax return, or your credit card pays for itself because of the points that you have on your card, or whatever it may be, and you will still be technically earning $10,000 a month, because that is your energetic minimum. Every single person has one. So by being specific, taking the step into the state parallel, jumping into the reality that we want to have, we are setting that energetic minimum to something that we actually want. And no doubt, no negative thought, no 3D circumstance is going to disrupt the fact that I'm in this state. So either you have a little bit of resistance to this and some spots of this is still showing, I want you to literally not even flip the thoughts, just keep continuing on with your day, because eventually what will happen is all of those tiny little things are going to wash away, and you will be given the reality in which you earn $1,000 a day. Do not think about the how, and be open to more income streams, even if it feels absolutely impossible. For example, you knew all your life that you had one income stream of, having $3,000 a month by your employer, your 9-to-5 job. Well, maybe you create a TikTok video, and I'm gonna get to inspired action a little bit later, and you blow up, and then you start earning money from TikTok. And if you say, oh, I actually want to earn $10,000 a month and not $3,000 a month, well, there you go. You've created a TikTok video, you're a TikTok star, and now you are earning $10,000 a month. So just be open to different income streams. Now, the third step that we are going to do is we are going to keep affirming this until it comes into our reality. You are going to be robotically affirming every single day, as many times as you possibly can, that of you earning $1,000 a day, or $10,000 a month, or $100,000 a year, whatever it may be. So because I'm already in the state, I don't need to really think about affirmations in a way where I have to constantly affirm from, because I'm already in the state, right? So all I'm doing when I'm not busy, when I wake up, I'm affirming I am earning $1,000 a day. When I am getting ready for my YouTube videos, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I get hungry. Let me see what is in the fridge to eat. Walk up to my fridge. It's always, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. Preparing my food. It's always, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. Eating the food. Instead of watching a YouTube video like I normally do, I will affirm in my head, in complete silence, I'm not even joking. I'm eating, and I'm just like, I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. I'm earning $1,000 a day. And we are doing that until nighttime. The fourth thing that we are going to do is take inspired action. But please do not take any action if it is not inspired. When you ask me what inspired action is it me texting this boy? No, because you wouldn't be asking me. It will literally feel so unnatural for you not to put this action in. Like, it will literally inconvenience you. It will make you feel uncomfortable not doing this action. For example, I have a list of things that I need to do today, but there's an itching feeling inside of me of, I want to film YouTube. I want to film YouTube. I want to film YouTube. So I'm going to follow my inspired action and I'm going to film YouTube. Know that everything that you do and do not do is leading you to your manifestation. If you stick to all of these steps, stay patient, do not look at the result, but know that it is here now. you are going to be one rich motherfucker. So I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.